Alright, so in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. I did it a couple years ago on my Instagram, I believe, link down below. It's where you take random shapes and turn them into drawings. I think I first saw it when Drawfee did it, like a few years ago or whatever, but I'll link their channel down below because they've definitely inspired it for me to do it again. It's really fun. You just kind of draw out a shape and then you can turn it around and see what you think fits, what you can make into it. Could be a character, it could be anything really, whatever you see. And it's kind of like those ink blot things, you know, that like, is it therapists that do it? I can't remember. But they hold it up and they're like, what is this? And then you're just like, I don't know. So let's get into this. This was really fun. If you could, please like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. If you like this video, comment down below you want to see it again, or I'll just take the likes as you want to see it again, basically. But yeah, so let's get straight into this. Okay, so this is the first shape that I came up with. I just kind of drew it on there, like I said. And yeah, so first thing I saw, and I'm going with the first thing on everything because, you know, why not, is a guy, and then I have him throwing like a Pokeball. I'm gonna have him riding like a Pokemon, but it's not really, I don't know. I just kind of went with like, this kind of looks like a skull, so it's like a Cubone type of ghost Pokemon thing. I don't really know what I was going for here. I am allowing myself to draw outside of the lines too, because Drawfee does do that now. And it helps a lot because, you know, some things just won't work.
That's two things in this house that won't work.
But yeah, so now I'm just inking in this drawing. None of these are spectacular drawings by any means, I can tell you this right now. It was fun to do. It's like a good art challenge for yourself. And it just kind of helps you if you got artist block or if you're just bored of drawing and you want to just draw out some shapes and see what they look like. So here's the first one. Ghost guy, green flame, pretty cool. What are you gonna do? All right, here's the next one. So similar kind of like dude throwing something type of deal is what I saw, I think. So let's just get right into the drawing. Here's the dude's face. Like I said, none of these are really good. It's just something fun to do and it exercises your artistic brain, I guess. It kind of just like, it doesn't have to be good. It can be fun. Drawfee does it really good, so I definitely recommend go watching them. But sometimes it's not good. Sometimes you have to delete your art, like they say. But yeah, so this is like my Parappa the Rappa type dude. I don't know what he's doing. He's just throwing his arm up and chilling. And I don't know. He's like an old 90s hip hop fan that listened to too much Eminem. I don't know. I made him blue just to make him interesting, to be honest. And yeah, so that's him. And I had some little spotlights in the background, and there it is. That he's there. You can't deny it. All right, third one. So this one was kind of cool. Straight off the bat, I just saw a face, so I kind of drew that in. He's got some weird looking hair going on there, but you know, and I gave him a silly straw just because his lips look like they're going like this. So, I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool. Like I said, this is all just for fun, and I definitely recommend any artist watching this to try because it really does, it just gets your mind free and lets you do whatever, you know? There he is. That's the last one. He's also there. But yeah, so that was the video. Like I said, if y'all like this video, please comment down below if you want to see more. Also leave a like on the video and subscribe for more videos. I got plenty of videos backlogged. I've been working on like 3 or 4 at a time. I'm not sure when this one's gonna come out. It might come out after those 3 or before, but just know I'm always trying to work on something. If it's not a video, it's art, and if it's not art, it's usually a video on art with the video in art because I make art in the videos. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video. Weird video, but I hope y'all liked it. All right, peace. Man, what is wrong with this computer? I don't know what's going on. Oh, hey, let me lift you up real quick. There we go. If you liked the video you just watched, if you could please like this video. Comment down below what you liked about the video or what I told you to comment down below at the beginning of the video, whatever happened. And also, the biggest one of them all, please subscribe to this channel because I will be making plenty more art and tutorial videos and just vlogs, and everything in between. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also, if you're watching this on a TV screen, I saw someone else do this before, take your phone out, take the camera out, if you're using a smartphone. I hope you are, it's 2024. And take a picture of this QR code. This QR code tells you to subscribe. So, better not make it angry. Alright, I'll see y'all later, peace. God, he's gonna kill me.